Hey guys, I'm Maya Bradley and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are discussing if Ana Luisa is even worth the money. So please stick around.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free.
So the first time I saw Ana Luisa was during Valentine's Day earlier this year, and I was just looking at Instagram stories and their ad popped up and I was like, the jewelry's kind of cute. It was this heart necklace and these like dainty heart earrings. I was really interested, so I clicked on the website and I was like, okay, I thought this stuff would be a little cheaper. But then I started reading more about why it ranges between about $40 to $100. And I was very interested. I even asked my boyfriend, I said, for Valentine's Day, I just want to let you know, like, I think this jewelry is really cute. So if you're feeling nice, can you get it for me? Thanks. And just to kind of let you guys know a little bit about Ana Luisa, I think that's Anna, but I really want to pronounce it Ana Luisa, just to tell you a little bit about it. So it's beautifully fair jewelry, where jewelry comes with a beautiful backstory. Pieces that bring joy to those who wear them and to those who make them, with the conviction that luxury can be enjoyed without access. They want to make a lasting statement. We believe in crafting sustainable jewelry accessible to all. They're based in Brooklyn, New York. So they want to make simple yet stunning pieces you'll reach for every day. And I would have to completely agree with that. It is consciously beautiful. Our designers are obsessive purveyors of art, architecture, antique stores, all things built to last. I would say that Ana Luisa's jewelry, if you like simple, if you like trendy, if you like chic, beautiful, elegant jewelry pieces that'll kind of spice up an outfit, then it's the jewelry for you. So when my boyfriend gave me the jewelry, he gave me this heart necklace, and I'll talk about each individual piece in a second. But each jewelry comes in this beautiful sort of velvet packaging. And it's just very simple. So I received my necklace and my ring in separate black packaging. So I think based on the designer or the person that they were influenced by, you're going to have a different color sort of little packaging. So my ear cuff, though, is Ana Luisa, but maybe since it's like the Michelle ear cuff, it came in this beautiful sort of orangey, I know it's picking up red on camera, but this burnt orange color. And it's not velvet like the other ones, which I kind of would like more. I do keep the packaging, so when I place it into my jewelry container, especially the ones that I don't want to lose. So this one is by Lisa Ree. This is one of the bracelets that I recently just bought, and I love this pink velvet packaging. This is just very plain background. I love the gold. They specialize in gold, and then have a couple of their silver pieces on the website. So when you make a purchase, you receive a box, just a small box like this, recyclable. It says, thank you, Ana Luisa, made from 100% recycled paper. Please continue the cycle. So please recycle it. Follow us at Ana Luisa, NY, so New York. Something good for the earth. We had a dream making jewelry that doesn't come at Earth's expense, and it happened thanks to you. Breathe easy, we're carbon neutral. So I really like that it's recyclable packaging, so that makes me very happy. So I am gonna do a try on for you guys so you can see the jewelry up close. And while that is playing, I'll also explain the details with each jewelry piece. I do want to say that I do have a code with Ana Luisa. I am an ambassador. This video is not sponsored. I absolutely do love the products that they have, and I feel like you guys will love them too, so my discount code will be on the screen here. All right, guys, let's keep going. The Luisa bracelet is 14 karat gold on brass and cubic zirconia. Its length is 6.3 inches, 16 centimeters, plus an extender of 1.2 inches and 3 centimeters. The weight is light and 4.4 grams. And it's hypoallergenic, and there's a 365-day warranty. So the rest was the gold twisted chain bracelet with a heart extender. It was co-designed with Lisa Ree, a dancer and a YouTube superstar. And so they strongly recommend removing your jewelry before engaging in any activities that can lead to contact with moisture or friction, like washing your hands, sleeping, and showering, to maintain luster and prolong life. And I do want to say with Ana Luisa, they do have fast shipping. You can expedite shipping. The 2-day shipping, I think it was like $1 or $2 difference from the standard shipping. That would be, I think, a 5 to 7 business days. So I picked that option, and it literally came in 2 days. So I was very happy. Okay, so the next piece I have that came in that black velvet packaging is this rope slim ring. I absolutely love this ring. They have a thicker version, but I wanted this version because it is so cute and dainty. And like I said, it's just such chic jewelry piece. Just kind of jazzes your outfit up a little bit, you know what I mean? So they have sizes ranging from 4 to 12. It's 14 karat gold. It's hypoallergenic, 365-day warranty, and it has 5 stars, and it's 22 reviews. And it's $44 right now if you do the 10% off for being like a first customer. It's such a beautiful necklace. I'm like, it is just so cute. I don't typically go for heart necklaces. Sometimes I'm just like, okay, that's like, it's like too childish at some points. But I saw this and I was just obsessed. I was like, I need that like now. So that is the Lev ring, or the LEV. It's $53, 10% off, 5 reviews, 5 stars and 93 reviews, sorry. It's 14 karat gold, and it's 16.5 inches, 42 centimeters, plus an extender, which is 2 inches and 5 centimeters. So the next product I have is the Michelle cuff. I wanted to get my cartilage pierced, but I'm a chicken, so I like cuffs. I think they're really cute. It can just edge up a look. So this is the cuff. It's very dainty, if you can see it. Very dainty. This is the Michelle cuff. It has these 2 lines in the middle. The Michelle cuff is $35. It's one of their recent launches. They came out with quite a bit of cuffs. It's 14 karat gold. Measurements in diameter 13 millimeters and thickness 1.9 millimeters, and it's hypoallergenic. So this finishes off my Ana Luisa video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you go out and purchase it. I honestly think you're gonna love it. They have sales. Sometimes they have a survey and will give you $20 off. They have a reward point system, so you can receive $5 off, 20% off of jewelry. So I would look out for those sales as well. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye, guys.